carry gear that we trust, because we think adventure should be enjoyed until the very last bite. Meals are an essential part of being in the outdoors, and to us, the sporks on the market have never quite measured up. So we decided to create one that does. Introducing Morsel, a versatile utensil for cooking, eating, and cleaning. A tool designed to rethink the way we eat on the go. Morsel has a unique rubber edge that allows you to easily scrape every last bit of food. The ergonomic asymmetrical shape fits plates, pots, bags, and bowls of all shapes and sizes. The extended length is perfect for digging deep without getting your hands dirty. Morsel also features a full-sized fork and a safe cutting edge for slicing through tough foods. We've spent the last year designing, prototyping, and testing. The result is the best camping utensil we've ever used. If you've been hungry for a better utensil, your search is over. Morsel, for every last bite.
And print immediately. Personalize your belongings. Style your place, all yours. Have fun with your ideas. Have fun with Cubio.
Rule Walk uses music to help you time your steps perfectly and get the results you want. Walking at specific tempos can result in different fitness and wellness benefits. Whether you're looking to keep slim, boost creativity, improve your mood, or just start getting in shape, Rule Walk can help. Rule Walk uses a scientifically developed algorithm to select the right music for your walking pace and goals. If your cadence falls off tempo, go faster. Go faster. Our virtual coach will cheer you on and encourage you to speed up or slow down with real-time voice feedback. Nice! Keep the current pace.
Hello everyone, my name is Hyushil Yang. I'm the founder and CEO of Wearable Healthcare. Walking can bring different results depending on the tempo. For the first time, we have developed a wearable device that synchronizes with music. Walk is a walking tempo controller designed to maximize the benefits of walking. There are so many wearables that measure activity levels on the market, but they show just information in a rather boring numerical format. So, people don't continue to use them. We really wanted to provide our users with a fun experience. So, we developed a walking tempo controller that synchronizes with music and beats. By guiding your walking tempo, you can experience various walking effects. We have successfully completed pilot product testing. In order to begin mass production, we need your help. Thank you for backing this project. Bye!
Ever missed a great picture because your phone just wasn't ready or your hands are full? You know what he just did? He just took a panoramic picture of the beach. Super easy, right? That's because he's using a Beyond Cam, the world's first removable 360 degrees panoramic camera with a battery that lasts 4 days on a single charge. It's lightweight, splash-proof watch that you can wear as a watch all day long. clamp on your bicycle, or clip on your bag. You can wear it just about anywhere.
We live in a world of wonders, from a baby's first step to love at first sight. Life is full of fleeting surprises. We want to be able to capture that moment, wherever, whenever, first time, and always for real. Moments that matters are moments to share. With Beyond Cam, wear it, see it, share it. Take 360-degree photos and videos on the fly. Upload them anywhere in a snap. And because it's always on and always on you, you won't miss a moment that matters. Keep looking, keep living.
Beyond Cam will make sure you capture it all. Beyond Cam is always ready, always on to take a photo or video instantly wherever and whenever you are. You can share the results with everyone else on social media through Beyond Cam app. And you can view 360-degree images or videos using Beyond Cam app. As you can see, this is how you wear Beyond Cam on your wrist. A new way of taking photos and video. You can control using your smartphone or capture using the camera itself. With only 3 buttons, on-off button, image capture button, and video taking button on the camera, you can use it at ease.
Please support us on Indiegogo. We are ready for production. All we need is your support.
This is DTing, a series of robots and toys, truly controlled by gesture and force.
DTing's gesture control power lies in the DTing gesture wristband. Easy to attach, with the wristband on, you will be the ultimate remote. After wearing the wristband, post a hand gesture and move your arm. The robot follows your movement and goes to the direction you are pointing at. It takes over all the behavior of robots and toys at your command. There's no other remote like this.
When we began on DTing, our aim is to make the user feel like a superpower beholder.
We don't limit the variety of hand gestures. You could be a Spider-Man, Iron Man, sharpshooter, or even express your feeling while controlling robots. DTing is a completely revolutionary robotic experience suitable for all ages, regardless of operational experience. The wristband also enables fine-grained control. The toy speeds up or slows down depending on the intensity of your gesture. There are even more ways to play waiting for you to discover. You can compete with a friend or even play with more than one toy using both hands. DTing is a brand new way to interact, bringing enjoyment, playability, and possibility. Together with DTing Gesture Wristband, we offer several connected robot and toys. A high-performance drone, a battling tank, or a high-imitation truck will be included. The developer version of DTing is offered to connect other robots, electronics, or anything else you desire.
We launched this project in 2016. DTing is designed with robot enthusiasts and excellent engineers.
We have finished the design, prototype, and final iteration. And together, we can drive the technology forward.
We need your support. So no matter who you are, we are making sure whoever opens the box find a revolutionary, affordable, amazing, and fine robots.
We look forward to making with you the next revolution in robotics, the one and only DTing.